everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 12 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and go to the very top of the list because before we will find the proper option we will have to enable the developer mode. So let's enter the About phone and find the MIUI version. Right now we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see we are, so we can go back to the general settings. Let's get back, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Now let's scroll and enter developer options. They should be at the very bottom of the list, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. And as you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, which means that your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to remember about updating the system, just remember about restarting your device. Of course you can turn off this option whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your, actually not enable developer options, but enable them and enable automatic system updates in your Xiaomi 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.